Hello everyone, hope you are doing fine. Today we will see how we can transfer files from our mobile device to computer without using any data cable. Before starting the video, I will tell you the prerequisite. Your computer and your mobile have to be in the same network, or I should say under same Wi-Fi device. Without wasting our time, let's start. First, what we have to do is we need a small FTP server application into our mobile device. I am installing FTP server. This is very cool and does not have any overlay add. After installing the application, we have to open the app on our mobile and turn on the FTP service. After turning on the FTP service, we will get an URL to access our FTP server. Then we will put this URL into our computer file explorer address bar. And then we will get direct access to files on our mobile. That's it. Remember one thing, the file transfer speed will depend on Wi-Fi signal, Wi-Fi data speed, etc. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.